Anong Lasha power? Ano yun, power?
I wish I found some better sounds, but until I heard
Ito
I
magluto
wish I
ng
had better voices and better. I wish I found some chords and ordered those things. I wish I didn't have to cry every time I sang.
Anong tos?
I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure. Yeah, we think again.
Oh, power.
I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We're stressed out. Sometimes a certain smell will take me back to when I was young.
More pa, more.
To identify where it's coming from. I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. I'd sell it, never sell out of it. I'd probably only sell
More.
one.